It's Halloween and I can't wait to turn this pumpkin into a pizza. Say bye-bye to Mr. Pumpkin. Look at how nice and orange. So what you do now is to scoop out the inside. Remove the seeds. Slice it into chunks so that it is easy for you to roast it in the oven. To remove the skin, what you do is to just cut it into small chunks and then just remove the skin. There. Just put it all in a roasting tray. Drizzle it with a little bit of oil. What I like to do is put some curry powder to make it a little bit more savory versus just a sweet pumpkin. Some pepper, a sprinkle of salt, and just mix it up to ensure all the spices is thoroughly mixed. Once it's ready, you put it in an oven and roast it for 30 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius. I'm going to use the mozzarella. Instead of tearing it, I'm going to slice it into circles. Hopefully when you melt it, will look like the ghost black olives. Eyes for the ghost. So the pumpkin has been roasted for almost half an hour now. So you can just take a fork and gently just mash it up. It's sweet and savory with that curry flavor. Our special black pizza. Then you gently push it on. Just leave the sides so that you have that nice puffy crust. Transfer it into a baking tray. Nice spoonful of pumpkin paste. I just love the color. The mozzarella cheese. This will be the ghost shapes when it melts. And that's it. Okay, into the oven it goes. Pizza is ready. Whoa, look at that. I start by putting the eyes on the ghost. Create the mouth of the ghost with a little bit of sriracha sauce. You can put some pea sprouts on top. That's the Halloween pizza.